Amazon influencers who earn big don't just guess what to review. They use data. Viral View is the tool that shows you which products are trending, so you can review what's actually selling. Inside the dashboard, Viral View combines Amazon and TikTok insights to give you a clear view of what's hot in the market. In Product Finder, sort by viral score. This shows the top trending products in real time. You can refine by niche, category, or sales volume to fit your audience. Click any product to see its sales history, estimated revenue, and carousel placements. That's data you can't get just by browsing on Amazon. Add the product to favorites or track it for updates. Viral View does the heavy lifting so you can focus on creating content. Ready to find trending products for your Amazon storefront? Check out Viral View using the link in the description below and start reviewing products that actually sell.